USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are in the bullish uptrend. So this is your last TP. Okay, we will take down this TP. Nobody can stop us from this. 300, another 20 pips, I guess. Nobody can stop means nobody can stop. But in between, you might lose money. Who knows? Okay. Daily, this is your signal. This is your bullish breakout. That's your entry. As per the daily chart, this high is taken. That's your bullish breakout. Look for longs coming back to 4 hour. Don't be a moron, okay? Don't be a moron and enter here. Wait for the pullback. The price will price will go up maybe more, okay? But as a pro trader, if you want the textbook setup, then let this price exhaust, then wait for the pullback until the EMA in 4 hour, okay? In 4 hour, let the price exhaust, wait for the price to come back, reject the EMA, blue candle, that's where you will make your entry. Look for longs, USDJPY, you know what's gonna happen now, okay? If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, all the links are below my video.